Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to resize calendar in Notion using two methods. So let's get started. Method 1. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Add a calendar by typing -calendar. Click on the calendar view and select or create a database. To resize the calendar, add columns by typing -column or clicking on the plus sign. Choose the numbers of columns you want, such as 2 columns. Drag the calendar view into one of the columns. Now, you can resize the calendar by dragging the left or right edge of the column. Method 2. Follow steps 1 and 2 from Method 1 to create a calendar. This time, add more columns. For example, 3 columns by typing -column or clicking on the plus sign. Drag the calendar view into the middle column. Now, your calendar is smaller and you can resize it from both sides. By using these methods, you can easily resize your calendar in Notion to fit your preferences. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.